today I'm going to talk about how to get the internship in a company for coding. Okay, so what is the thing that you should do before you even apply? First step is you have to have a GitHub profile. GitHub profile. Okay, it must be a public profile where you have done some kind of coding. Once you have the GitHub profile, then you can add this GitHub profile in your resume while applying for an internship. Okay, and I get a lot of requests for internship in my LinkedIn account. So they say that please provide me a chance, then I will show. So I would suggest avoid all these kind of things. Okay, so when you're being asked to when you're asking for an internship program, what you have to say is you have to actually go through their site and then find out, okay, these are the things the company is doing, and then in your covering letter or in the LinkedIn message that you type in, you say that, okay, I read about your product, and if you actually look at the product, you will be able to understand what technology they're using. Mostly, if it is a scalable architecture they will have a front end, back end, and the database. So these are the things which I have done. You can have it in a GitHub profile in that particular LinkedIn. Then people will be interested. Okay, he has done his homework before coming here. The second thing that you have to understand is, a lot of people ask whether I should get it in Google or big companies. So definitely you should apply for big companies. That is for sure, because the learning that you have in big companies will be different from a small company. But the advantage with a small company is that you will end up doing a lot of things which you may not get in a big company. So for big, my point is that you don't have to worry whether you are doing it in a small company or in a big company, because what matters is the skill or the projects that you're doing in that particular company. Another point that you should consider is, see, you may be thinking that, okay, I'm not getting paid, so it is easy, like why can't they hire me? Anyway, I will be helping them. What you have to understand is, if I'm an employee, for example, I'm an employee, and if I'm getting some intern under me, it is actually a double work for me, because the company is not going to pay me extra for having an intern under me. So a lot of people, like if it is a manager, if it is a tech lead, all these people will really understand that their time is very precious. So if they think that you will add value to them, then only they will take it as an intern. Okay, and that is another approach that you can take. If you go and find out, if you list out the companies where you want to do the internship, connect to those people through LinkedIn, and you can directly tell them, okay, I am so and so, and I am looking for an internship. If you can guide me, so they might send you 2 or 3 liner saying that, okay, you work on this particular technology, then you do work on that particular technology. Okay, and if you don't know how to start it, then don't ask those people who told you where you're trying to get the internship. Ask somebody, your friend or your teachers, or post in any group or wherever, and then get answers for those, how to master that. I'm not telling master the technology, but at least understand where, when they use a term, that, okay, this is what they refer to. Okay, for example, when you talk about sprint, okay, this sprint I'm doing this thing. If you don't know what is a sprint, then they will feel that, oh, I have to even teach him what is a sprint. Or for some people, they say that I'll give you a calendar request. So people I don't know how to use a calendar. So these are the things which you can actually learn without getting an internship.